Here's how to make a fun pet video intro. Step 1. Create animated intro with InShot Materials. Open a new working file, then press Materials. Pick the intro of your choice, then adjust your canvas. Trim the clip to your desired duration, then add a blank clip. Import your picture and video in PIP. Press the square button to fit your picture to screen. Then tap the layer to change the order. You can also add cute text to personalize your intro. And choose from a variety of fonts in the library. Hold on, we're not quite done yet. Next, let's add sound effects to spice up the video. Press Music, Effects, and Instruments. Choose from a wide variety of sounds from our library as well. Then pick the audio clip that best suits your video, like this one. Now, all that's left to do is to launch a private screening of the blockbuster intro you just created on InShot. Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube and share this tutorial with your friends.